Hi, I'm Fu-Tung Cheng of Cheng Concrete, and welcome to the Tion's Tea Shop in Berkeley, California. This is a tea shop I designed, and we brought you here so that we could talk about decorative concrete and good design, and how important good design is to any project. Now, one of the biggest aspects about good design is form and function, and how important the two are linked together. I don't like to have projects that you just do some crazy form. It always has to have a function, and here's a perfect example of that in the tea bar itself. Now, the tea bar was shaped according to this shape of this teapot here, and that was the inspiration for it. When you approach the tea bar, that cantilever helps with your knee space, so it has a practical aspect as well as alluding to the shape of the teacup. When a client comes here and they're going to sample tea, in a classical Chinese way, you have to take the hot water here and pour it over all the vessels, like this. And that is to keep an even temperature over all the utensils. So we take these and then we pour the water out, and it has to have some place to go. So I devised this copper plate here as a drain board. And then we shape the concrete after the pour to allow the water to run back and into the drain. So that's the rationale behind this shape. Aside from that, it creates some very nice nuances here in the form, but it all has a practical purpose. This entire plate can lift up so that you can clean it out. So it is just suspended here. It's tapered, slight angle. This tapers back, and then the water can flow through. So when a client gets served the tea, they see this ritual take place in front of them, and then they're served the tea, and they get to enjoy all the little pieces that we put and embedded in the tea bar, have little pieces of Chinese porcelain and fossils and things, and then they also see how the tea is made so carefully, and how the water drains away, et cetera, and that becomes all part of the sort of experience, the tea experience. And remember, every good project begins and ends with good design. This is Fu-Tung Cheng.